morning everyone. Myself Neha Vishwas Patil. Today we are going to learn grade 6 subject science lesson number 2 part 3. Okay. So previous lesson we learned that about food, components of food. So components of food it means the food contain fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, fats, like that. So students, we have to eat balanced diet. Balanced diet it means suppose like potato having carbohydrates. So suppose you are daily eating potato, then what happens, that carbohydrate level will grow in your body. Yes, so we have to eat balanced diet. Balanced diet इसका मतलब ऐसा होता है कि हमको पूरे सब सब्जियां खाना है, फ्रूट्स खाना है, we have to take pulses, everything. So today we are going to learn about balanced diet or what is meant by balanced diet. So students, the food we normally eat in a day, our diet for growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantity. Yes, because in right quantity we need our food for developing day by day. So not too much one or not too much little of other. कोई भी चीज बहुत ज्यादा या कोई भी चीज बहुत कम नहीं खानी चाहिए. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water, such as a diet called as a balanced diet. So do you think that people of ages need same type of diet? So do you think that all kind of age to all kind of people sitting same diet? Think that what we need for a balanced diet would depend the amount of physical work that we do. So what is meant by physical work? इसका मतलब मेहनत का काम. So every people need different type of balanced diet. So those who are working very hard, they need a more energy and they need more powerful food like vegetables, chapati, rice. They want to eat everything. Yes. So prepare a chart whatever you eat over a period of a week. Check whether all nutrient maintained are present in a one or other food item being eaten with day or so. Now you have to prepare one chart. Okay, one chart you have to prepare. What you have eaten in breakfast, lunch and dinner, you have to note down. And you have to identify. Suppose you eaten something, so you get proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, and you have to check yourself that you are eating balanced diet or not. Pulses, groundnuts, soya beans, sprouts, seeds like moong, bengal gram, form foods like South Indian foods such as idlis, a combination of flours like mesi, roti, thepla made from cereals and pulses, banana, spinach, sattu, jaggery, available vegetables and other such foods provide a many nutrients. Okay, now here are some food items. So we have to take all food items in our day-to-day life. We have to eat fruits also, vegetables also, cereals also, pulses also, everything we have to eat. So eating therefore can be a balanced diet without expensive food material. Eating the right kind of food is enough. It should also cook properly so that nutrients are not lost. So we have to eat food and we have to cook food very properly. Suppose we cook overcook. Suppose अगर राइस बनाना है, बहुत ज़्यादा कुक हो गया है, बहुत ज़्यादा पक गया है, तो उसके जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं वो उसकी जो लेवल होती है वो कम हो जाती है. Suppose we are eating some leafy vegetables, we overcook the food. Then what happens? The nutrient or the such amount of the level will down. So we have to cook vegetables and some cereals purpose in a proper manner. Now Paheli wondered that where animals also consist these different components and do they also need the balanced diet? Now animals also need balanced diet, and she have one question. So answer is yes, because animals also growing like human being. Plants also growing like human human being, they also need a nutrients, sunlight, water. So yes, pahli question is correct. So animals also need the same. If vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling them, eat, many results in the loss some vitamins. So we have to cut the vegetables before washing, after washing. First we have to wash and then we have to cut. If we have to cut first and then wash, so some vitamins get lost from the vegetables. The skins of many vegetables and fruits contain vitamins and minerals. Similarly, repeated washing a rice pulses may remove some vitamins, minerals and present them. So before we cook a rice, what your mother doing? Washing continuously. But whenever the raw rice will wash, so what happens? We lost some nutrients contained in rice. We all know that cooking improves the taste of food and makes it easier to digest. We know that because we can't eat the raw rice. We have to cook them. And whenever we cook the food, so it very easy to digest. At the same time, cooking also results in the loss content of nutrients. Many useful proteins and considerable amount of mineral are lost in excess water used during the cooking and it is then thrown away. So what happens? Suppose अगर मम्मी को मूंग या चना कुछ पकाना होता है, what your mother doing? उसमें पानी डाल के प्रेशर कुकर में डाल देते हैं. फिर पकने के बाद क्या होता है? उसमें जो वाटर एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ ज्यादा जो वाटर होता है उसकी वजह से क्या होता है? जो पल्सेस में कैल्शियम, प्रोटीन, विटामिन होता है उसकी लेवल क्या हो जाती है? कम हो जाती है. विटामिन सी गेट्स इजीली डिस्ट्रॉय बाय हीट ड्यूरिंग द कुकिंग. विटामिन सी जो है उसको हम जब भी कुक करते हैं तो उसका जो विटामिन सी का जो लेवल होता है वो कम्प्लीटली डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है. Would you not be a sensible include some fruits and raw vegetables in our diet? Now, Buju thought that fats would be a food to eat all times. A kachori of fat will give more energy than kachori of carbohydrates rich food, isn't it? So, whenever we are eating foods, like Buju is eating a katori, so what happens? The fat will more energy. उसमें fats होते हैं because it is a deep fry food. उसको बहुत डूबते हुए तेल में तला जाता है. तो क्या होता है? It contain more fats. जब भी हम वो खाते हैं तो it contain more energy. उससे बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी मिलती है क्योंकि फैट से क्या होता है? हमको एनर्जी मिलती है. हमको जब भी खाना मिलता है वो हम खाना खाने के बाद दैट फूड कंटेन इनटू द फैट्स में उसका कन्वर्जन होता है और जब भी बॉडी को एनर्जी लगती है तो वो फैट गेट बर्न होने के बाद हमको बॉडी में एनर्जी मिलती है. सो ही एट नथिंग बट फूड रिच इन फैट्स, फ्राइड फूड लाइक समोसा, पूरी, मलाई, रबड़ी एंड पेड़ा. It's sweets. So what happened? Whenever Bujo is eating these things, so Bujo get more energy from that foods. Do you think he was right? आपको क्या लगता है ये सही है? No, because whenever Bujo is eating this kind of foods, he gets only fats. उसको सिर्फ उसमें से क्या मिल रहा है? Fats मिल रहे हैं. Do you think that is what right? No, of course not. Why? Because it can be a very harmful us eat too much fat-rich foods in many end up the suffering from condition called obesity. Obesity इसका मतलब होता है मोटापा. बॉडी में जो फैट्स की मात्रा होती है वो क्या होती है? बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है. So it is called as a obesity. Now 2.4 that is deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases मतलब अगर बॉडी में कोई विटामिन की कमी होती है उसके जो डिसीज होता है that disease is called as a deficiency diseases. Now a person may be getting enough food to eat but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. अब कोई पर्सन्स होते हैं उनको सफिशिएंट फूड मिलता है बट उनमें जो फूड में जो रिच अमाउंट ऑफ कुछ सोर्सेस होते हैं वो उनको नहीं मिल पाते हैं. दे आर नॉट गेटिंग अ प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिएंट इन देयर डाइट. If this continues over long period of time, the person may suffering from its deficiency. फिर अगर लॉन्ग पीरियड तक उनको वो न्यूट्रिएंट नहीं मिले बॉडी में तो उसको क्या होता है, इट इज कॉल्ड इज दैट पर्सन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम डिफिशियंसी डिसीजेस. Deficiency of one or more nutrient can cause diseases or disorder in our body. Diseases that occurs due to a lack of nutrient over a long period are called deficiency diseases. So our body if not getting proper amount of nutrients, then person will suffering from the deficiency of diseases. Deficiency of diseases. If a person does not get enough protein in his or her body for a long time, so he or she will like have a stern growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases and diarrhea. So whenever the person is not getting proper amount of their nutrition, then person will suffer. He or she will suffer from what? Have stern growth. उसकी growth जो होती है वो वही रुक जाती है. Swelling on his face or her face. Swelling में सूजन आना, फेस पे स्वेलिंग हो जाती है. डिसकलरेशन ऑफ हेयर, उनके जो हेयर कलर्स होते हैं उसमें अलग कलरेशन या वेरिएशन, व्हाइट हो जाना या ब्राउन कलर हो जाना, डिसकलरेशन ऑफ हेयर्स. स्किन डिसीजेस, स्किन में कोई डिसीज आना या फिर डायरिया. यू नो व्हाट इज मीन बाय डायरिया? यस, देन दैट पर्सन विल सफर फ्रॉम डायरिया. If the diet is deficient in the both carbohydrates and proteins for a long period of time, the growth may stop completely. अगर बॉडी में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स और प्रोटीन्स नहीं मिले तो उन पर्सन्स की जो ग्रोथ होती है इट गेट स्टॉप. मतलब वो उनकी हाइट जितनी होगी, बॉडी जितनी होगी, वो वहीं पे क्या हो जाएगा, कंप्लीटली गेट स्टॉप. देन such a person become very lean and thin and so big she may not even able to move. और इतने ज्यादा बिग हो जाते हैं वो पर्सन, so they are not able to move, मतलब they are not able to walk or stand. उनकी बॉडी कंप्लीटली क्या हो जाता है, ग्रोथ उसका स्टॉप हो जाता है. Now deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may also result in certain diseases or disorder. Some of these are mentioned in table 2.3. Now this is a picture of obesity. That person is suffering from obesity, मोटापा. Then also the person having swelling on his face. उसके चेहरे पे बहुत ज्यादा क्या है, सूजन है. उसके हेयर्स डिसकलरेशन, हेयर्स का कलर्स क्या हो गया है, बिल्कुल अलग हो गया है. All deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. इसके हम कंट्रोल करने का एक ही तरीका है. What is that? We have to take a balanced diet. Balanced diet means अगर दाल, चावल, रोटी, vegetables daily we have to eat. All deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. In this chapter, we ask ourselves the reason why widely varying food from different regions had a common डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. अब हमको इस चैप्टर में ये सीखना है कि एवरी स्टेट हैविंग अ डिफरेंट फूड आइटम्स, देयर स्पेशलिटीज, so that from that specialty we are getting a proper balanced diet, proper nutrient, protein fats, then we have to observe ourselves. Now this is a table 2.3. Some diseases, disorder and caused by the deficiency of vitamin and minerals. Now students, here 3 compartments are there. What is that? Vitamin, deficiency, disorder or disease or disorder, and this is a symptoms. So whenever our body lost vitamin A, जब भी हमारी बॉडी में से विटामिन ए की कमी होते हैं, so loss our vision, हमको दिखना क्या हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है. So what is the symptoms? इसको हम आइडेंटिफिकेशन कैसे करेंगे कि अपनी बॉडी में विटामिन ए की कमी है. So poor vision, अपने का जो विजन होता है वो क्या होता है, कम. Then loss of vision in darkness, It is called as a night blindness. रात में दिखना बंद हो जाता है. Sometimes completely loss of vision. और कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि हमारी पूरा जो विजन होता है वो completely loss हो जाता है. Then vitamin B1. Disease is caused as beriberi. Vitamin B1 से कौन सा disease cause होता है? Beriberi. Now how we have to identify? So weak muscles and very little energy to work. बहुत जल्दी थकान हो जाती है. अगर हम कुछ करते हैं तो हमको बहुत ज्यादा थकान आ जाती है. That disease is called as a beriberi. Then vitamin C. Then disease is scurvy. So what happened? Bleeding gums. You know bleeding gums? Gums like अपने teeth के ऊपर वाला जो एरिया होता है उसमें से bleeding gums, उसमें खून आता है. Then wounds take a longer time of a heal. मतलब अगर अपने कहीं चोट लगती है तो बहुत देर तक वो चोट जैसी कि वैसी होती है या उसको रिपेयरिंग में बहुत ज्यादा समय लगता है. Then vitamin D. This is caused as the rickets. Then what is the symptom? Bones become soft and bent. जो bones होते हैं वो बहुत soft और bend हो जाते हैं. Then calcium. So bone and tooth decay. Bone और tooth में क्या होता है? Decay means टूटना. So big bones and tooth decay. जब दांत समय के पहले गिर जाना. Then iodine. This is called as a goiter. गले में बहुत बड़ा सा एक swelling आ जाना. So it is called as a goiter. Then glands in the neck appears in swollen. अपने जो गले में neck में जो glands होती है वो बहुत ज्यादा swelling हो जाती है. Mental disability in children. थोड़ा सा mentally problem हो जाता है children में. Iron. The disease caused is the anemia. So what happens anemia? This disease is identified in females in more amount. 100 अगर females होंगी तो उसमें से 90 females will suffer from the iron anemia. And what happens? Symptoms is weakness. So the distribution we find ensure that our meals have a balanced diet of different nutrients needed by the body. So we have to identify for this which vitamins deficiency we have in. Okay. So students, with this video I am going to share some photos for you. Like suppose person is suffering from goiter or anemia, rickets or bone spikes like beriberi. So I am going to share one photo of them. Then if you have any problem, then you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.